tagline or strapline are those clever words that manufacturers and advertising agencies use at the end of an advert to sum up the whole proposition in the most elegant and memorable way. Let's take a look now at some of the best over the years. Okay, so what's the difference between a superiority statement in a value proposition and a tagline? Well, a superiority statement, otherwise known as a discriminator, sometimes known as a differentiator, or even a unique selling point, needs to be articulated in a clear strategic manner in which people within the organisation can understand it and act upon it. However, when it comes to creating punchy, memorable communication, we translate the superiority statement or unique selling point into a tagline or strapline. This is something that copywriters do to make sure that those words are indelibly imprinted in the consumer or customer's mind. So, the strategic direction of a tagline and strapline is identical to the superiority statement, but very often it's shorter, more memorable. So, 4 quick rules to creating your own tagline. Rule number 1, use no more than 5 words. Rule number 2, alliteration where possible. 3, keep it simple, short words, punchy words. Finally, make it ownable, perhaps using slang or even a foreign language. Your intention is to make it something that the competition can't copy.